up in the hollers, despair all through the night. Everything I own is gone, everything in sight. The mud and water have washed my life away. I don't know what to do, don't have a place to stay.
The farmer and the fireman, the stranger and nurse, digging out their friends and family not taken by Mother Earth.
Mamas and daddies pray their children will be spared.
Bad as it sounds, some didn't make it, washed up on heaven's stairs.
After the rains and the floods have all gone, we'll be standing here side by side, standing country strong. When nothing else matters and there is nothing left but love up in the hollers, our blood is thicker than the mud. Elbow to elbow, working hand in hand, shoveling out this God-forsaken mud to reclaim our land. Country roads that would take me home are like scenes from World War III. Time to start all over, clearing out the rocks and mud and the trees.
The strangers are the angels, they came down from above, wearing shiny raincoats, their wings glisten in the mud.
When everything you owned is all gone, it's buried in debris, the only thing worth anything is friends and family. After the rains and the floods have all gone, we'll be standing here side by side, standing country strong. When nothing else matters and there is nothing left but love up in the hollers, our blood is thicker than the mud. Now it's hell down in the valley, destruction all through days and nights. Everything they own is gone, everything in sight. The blast of winds and fires have burned their lives away. They don't know what to do, don't have a place to stay.
Well, after the winds and the fires have all gone, they'll be standing there side by side, standing LA strong.
When nothing else matters and there is nothing left but love down here in the valley, their blood is thicker than the wind, fire, rain, and mud.
Well, it's flooding down in Texas, a sad, familiar song, but this time it's different. All the precious children taken, they are gone.
The Texans that are left, as tough as they may be, no match when Mother Nature took her mighty hand and put us to our praying knees. After the rains and the floods are all gone, we'll be standing side by side, Texas strong. When nothing else matters and there is nothing left but love here in the good old USA. Our love is thicker than